Everyone, in today's tutorial, we are going to know about the Salesforce Marketing Cloud Shopify connector. This extension is used and is helpful which connect the Salesforce Marketing Cloud with the Shopify. And here in this tutorial, we are going to see how the installation and the setup of this application works and how we are going to use this application. So first of all, let us go to the Marketing Cloud backend. Here, this is my Marketing Cloud backend panel. This is my Marketing Cloud org. And firstly, we need to do some settings over here in Marketing Cloud. So let us see those settings one by one. First, this is my backend panel. This is my account. Firstly, we need to go to the cloud preferences, and here we need to set some settings over here, and there you will see the details of the user. Here, this is the details of the user, and the first settings that you need to do is the API user. You need to set this settings to yes. You need to enable the API user. Now let us show how we're going to set the API user to enable. So for that purpose, you firstly need to create a user. So let me show you how we create a user first. For that purpose, you need to go to the email and the admin. Here, go to admin. So under admin, and you will find the account settings. So here you need to go to my users, and here in the my users you will find the list of all the created user. And as I have created all these users to my Marketing Cloud panel, so you are viewing this list over here. And firstly, you need to start with creating a user. As you have not created a user, you firstly need to create a new user, and you need to configure these settings and fill these fields of the user. And from here you can enable the status of this API user. You need to check this box. So firstly, what you have to do, you have to enter these fields related to the user information, and then check this box to enable the settings of the API user, which I show you at earlier. So once you have done those settings, you will find the view as here, and here this is the details of the user created, and this is the API user as it is in the enable mode as per the settings you have done while creating a new user. And this is the first thing, and the next thing what you have to do is you need to set some permissions. So let us see how we are going to do that. So for that purpose, we need to go to the administration. Let us go to the admin. Let us go to the admin, and here under the account settings you will find this roles. So under the role tab, you need to set the permission. You need to grant the user access to the web services. So be noted to check this box to enable the to set up the permissions from here for the web services. So that's all you need to do at your Marketing Cloud backend panel. Now let us move towards the Shopify, and this is my Shopify store. You need to go to the apps, and here click on the visit the Shopify app store. Here search for the required app. Here you will find this Marketing Cloud integration. You need to click on this application and click on the add app. So here after adding the app, you are just about to install the Marketing Cloud integration. So now you need to install the app by clicking here. Now you will be redirected to this plans, and here you need to select the plan. Let us suppose selecting the plan. So after that you will be redirected to this store, and here you need to click on this start free trial. So after clicking on that, Here you will be redirected and your marketing cloud connector has been integrated with your Shopify store. So here this is the configuration. You need to configure the settings here to integrate the marketing cloud to the Shopify. So let us see from where we will get these details. And for that purpose, you need to go to the backend of this here you will here in the marketing cloud you will find the details, and from here you will get the details of the username and the password. So let us enter over here. After entering the details of username and password, here you need to set the mode, and if you want to do it in the test mode, you can select the sandbox mode. Otherwise, you can set to the live mode. Next is the subdomain. You need to enter the Salesforce Marketing Cloud subdomain, and let us see from where we will get the subdomain URL. And to get for any reference, we have provided this link for the reference, and from that link you will get to know from where you need to get that URL. This is the reference link, and from here you are seeing this you need to take the reference URL up to this much only. So for that purpose, to take the subdomain URL, we need to copy the subdomain URL from here. So let us copy it. And paste it over here. And next is the auto sync. If you want to auto sync the data, you can put it on, and from here you will select the list of Salesforce Marketing Cloud subscriber, and let us suppose taking this list and then click on the save button. So here after configuration, let us proceed to the products, and here we will sync the product from the Shopify store to the marketing cloud. And here this is the list of the product, and after clicking on this product data extension button, all the data extension has been updated and will be synced to the marketing cloud. So let us see at the marketing cloud. Let us go to the subscriber. Under subscriber, uh, let us go to the data extension. So here click on the data extensions. Here search for the Shopify product data extension, and here you will find the record, and this is the list of the product that have been synced from the Shopify store to the marketing cloud. And here this is the product which we have synced right now to our store. And so in this way this helps you to integrate and sync the data from multiple Shopify store to a single marketing cloud org. So here you can see this the various data and products from various shop has been synced over here. Now let us move to order list here. So this is the order list, and after clicking on the order data extension, you will able to sync the order list to the marketing cloud. So clicking on the data extension and then search for the Shopify order list data extension. So here under Shopify order data extension, you will get the data. Here this is the record of all the data of the order that have been synced from your store. And here this is the order that we have just synced from our store to the marketing cloud. Now this is the abundant card list, and this helps you to sync the abundant card list from Shopify store to the marketing cloud. And here you need to manually sync the abundant card list when a new card is created. So let us see how we going to sync it. So here you need to click on this abundant card data extension, and then your list will be synced to the marketing cloud. So whenever there is a new list has been created for new has been done in the abandoned cart, you need to manually sync the abandoned cart list from Shopify to Marketing Cloud. So let us see. Search for Shopify abandoned cart data extension information, and here you will find a record. In the record, you will find a list of the abandoned cart, and here this is the abandoned cart detail which we have synced right now from our Shopify store to the Marketing Cloud. Now, this is the customer list. Here you will find the list of all the customers to your Shopify store, and after clicking on this customer data extension, all the data has been synced to the Marketing Cloud. And here after clicking, you need to search for the Shopify customer data extension, and here clicking on the Shopify customer data extension, you will find the list of the customer of the data that have been synced from the Shopify to Marketing Cloud. So this is the list of all the customers, and this is the list that we have um, synced right now. This is the subscriber list, and here we will get the list of the subscriber who have subscribed to our store, and let us see how the subscriber will subscribe to our store. So go to the front end panel. So here this is the front end panel, and let us subscribe for let us see how a customer can subscribe from the front end panel. And by clicking here, a customer can subscribe. So after subscription, let us see how we can get the new subscriber. As here in the subscription list, right now we are not having the customer who have subscribed right now, and we can find the detail of that customer in the customer list. And here this is the newly customer which we have subscribed, and to get that customer in the subscription, firstly you need to click on the new subscriber. So once you click on the new subscriber, it will fetch the data of the subscriber, newly created subscriber. So here you will after clicking on the new subscriber, you will find this new subscriber has get added to the list. And now to sync this subscriber, you need to click on the subscriber data extension. So here after clicking on the subscriber list has been synced to the Marketing Cloud. So let us see. So here you will find the data of the new subscriber who have subscribed to your store. So this is the data of the new subscriber here. So in this way you will find and you will sync the data subscriber list from Shopify store to the Marketing Cloud. And the next is the active plan. And here in under active plan you will find the various plans for subscription to the Shopify, and here this is the current plan you have taken, and you can also upgrade the plan by clicking on the change plan, and from here you will update the plan as per your requirement if you want to update your current plan. So in this way, the Shopify Marketing Cloud Connector helps you to sync the product, orders, abandoned cart, customers, and subscriber list from Shopify store to Marketing Cloud. So that's all for this Shopify Marketing Cloud Connector. Thank you so much.